If your OneDrive has been stuck on processing changes and it just refuses to sync properly, don't worry because you're definitely not the only one dealing with this issue. A lot of Windows users run into this problem, and thankfully there are several ways to fix it. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix OneDrive stuck on processing changes, easiest way. So by the end of this tutorial, your OneDrive should hopefully be syncing normally again. Let's jump right in. First, let's try a quick refresh because sometimes OneDrive simply gets stuck in the background. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. Right-click on it and select Pause Syncing. Choose any pause duration. We only want to temporarily stop the sync process for a moment. Now wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then right-click the cloud icon again and choose Resume Syncing. This works a lot like restarting a frozen app on your phone. Sometimes OneDrive just needs a quick reset to start responding properly again. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is restarting your computer. I know it sounds simple, but restarting clears temporary system glitches and background processes that might be interfering with OneDrive. After your PC reboots, give OneDrive a minute or two to reconnect and see whether syncing starts working again. Now let's check for another very common issue: open files. If you currently have Word documents, Excel sheets, videos, or photos open from your OneDrive folder, close them completely. OneDrive can sometimes get stuck when it tries to edit a file that's actively being used by another program. It's kind of like trying to edit a file while someone else is already editing it at the same time. You should also check your internet connection because slow or unstable internet can make OneDrive appear frozen even when it's still trying to sync in the background. Try opening a few websites or running a quick speed test online. If your connection is weak, syncing large files may take much longer than expected. Now, if OneDrive is still stuck on processing changes, let's try refreshing the connection between your computer and your OneDrive account. Right-click the OneDrive icon again and go to Settings. Then open the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. Don't worry, your files stored in the cloud are still safe. After unlinking, restart your computer, open OneDrive again, and sign back in to your Microsoft account. This creates a fresh connection between your PC and OneDrive, which often fixes hidden syncing issues. Next, check for problematic files. Very large video files, strange file names, or temporary files can sometimes stop syncing completely. If you notice files with unusual names or huge file sizes, try moving them temporarily out of your OneDrive folder and see whether syncing resumes. You can also safely remove temporary files that end with extensions like .tmp. If none of these fixes work, you can try resetting OneDrive completely. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, then enter the OneDrive Reset command and press Enter. This refreshes the entire app and forces OneDrive to rebuild the syncing process from scratch. Give it a few minutes afterward because OneDrive may need time to compare your local files with the cloud. And as a final option, you can completely uninstall and reinstall OneDrive if the issue continues. Sometimes a clean installation is the fastest way to remove stubborn syncing bugs. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OneDrive processing changes problem and got your files syncing normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows fixes, OneDrive tutorials, and tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.